Alright, let's check out crypto.com. So the last time we checked out this video, we were somewhere around here on the 0.38, and we said that, if we came and back tested it and came up to this line, then we would have to see what happens. This line being the 618, and this red line here also being the 618 to the wick. So on the macro time frame, CRO is still below the 0.618, so I can't be screaming bullish right now. In the last video we outlined two possible scenarios, one where we came up to the 618 and had a rejection, and one where we blasted through the 618 and held it as support and then went off to the races. So we're still in decision mode, nothing's happened yet. If we're looking on the daily, there's really not too much volume coming in at all, so it doesn't look too great. It looks like we're definitely running into some support and sellers on the 618. Not too much buying volume stepping in. Now if we come over to this chart as well, you can see another story. We were in this massive descending channel for the past, well, since November, so about a month or so now, and you can see that we're kind of just tapping our head above the resistance here. So on this chart it looks like we're just below the 618, and on this chart it looks like potentially we might even come over, test the resistance and flip it as support and then break out. And then on this chart this would mean that we'd be getting above the 618, and that would look quite bullish. So CRO looks pretty good. It's holding up quite well against other altcoins. But like I said, there's not too much volume stepping in. If I come to the 1 hour, you can see a tiny bit of volume has stepped in since we've broken out of this trend, but it is really minuscule. For me to get bullish on this, I would really need to see some volume stepping in, potentially to hold a daily close outside of this channel. Now, I think if CRO is able to hold a daily close outside of this channel, this would probably mean that Bitcoin was also able to do the same. You can basically see, if I put a line here as well, we're in this descending channel for Bitcoin. Let me take this away. And for CRO, we're literally doing the exact same thing. So CRO very much likes to follow exactly what Bitcoin's doing. If Bitcoin gets a swift rejection on the daily candle body opening tomorrow, then this move is still possible for us to come back to the bottom of this trend, which would be approximately another 44% dump. So this move is getting less and less likely the more and more we spend our time up here. So one more time, what I'd be looking for CRO is to close a daily candle somewhere around 43 to 44 cents, but I would say, let's see, no, I think 42 is too low. So yeah, 43, we really do need to kind of hold the level we're at now. So in the next couple of hours we should have a decision point on what Bitcoin and CRO is doing, whether that means that we're gonna close here and then just get swiftly rejected, we'll have to see. But if we are able to stay out of this channel and maintain some momentum, hopefully have some volume stepping in, then CRO would definitely be looking good. So in the long term we are still in this downtrend and we'll need to see what happens. So we are above the 200-day moving average, and once again we're still below the 618. So once we break above this 618, which is at 45.4, from here it's only about another 3.5% move. So if we are able to make that sort of move, then we could definitely be bullish on CRO. But for now, I would like to see what the rest of the market's doing and if we can get out of this channel. Once again, none of this is financial advice. They're all just my opinions on the market, and you've always got to do what's best for you. Peace.